There's 4 main goals that we put together. So the first kind of broad goal is just raising awareness of youth mental health issues in the community and services available for those issues or to help youth and their families. The second main goal was to increase capacity of school personnel and professionals to connect students with services and provide services in schools. A third one is to really increase the data-driven understanding of youth. So every month we're doing monthly reports, we're pulling all that information back in, we're reporting to SAMHSA, and then also keeping kind of our own information. So we really understand what are the needs, what services are being provided, and what we could do better in the future. And then the fourth really important piece is collaboration and building connections between not only our partners between the Saginaw Chippewa Indian Tribe, Mount Pleasant, and Shepherd, but also with other mental health agencies or service providers to make sure that students and families are really being connected with what they need if they need help outside of school. One of the main things that Project A.W.A.R.E. Provides for students is additional counselors in the school districts. So we were able to originally add 10 counselors throughout our 3 communities. So 5 in Mount Pleasant, 3 in Shepherd, and 2 at our Saginaw Chippewa Academy. And then we were additionally able to add 1 more each just this last grant year, which is amazing. So while Mount Pleasant and Shepherd did have some mental health professionals in the schools, the caseloads were really high. They were serving a lot of students. So having the ability to, if a student is struggling with emotional need or mental health need, that counselor on site to respond immediately is really important. So that's a big thing. There's kind of a wide range of services that are offered by our different counselors. So some of them will do a lot of one-on-one counseling. Some of them do a lot of small group work or skill building group. I think just about everybody pushes into the classroom with lessons on kind of those social skills, emotional regulation, or teaching kids like how to recognize their own emotions and react in appropriate ways, right, or cope with those things. And then there's a lot of kind of referrals out to when needed and making those connections with other services or resources. I think one of the hardest and best things about Project A.W.A.R.E. is really making that shift in culture and mindset to make schools better for students, right? And really foster their resilience and their feelings of worth and their mental health and all of those things. So shifting from that disciplinary, hardline kind of view to, oh my gosh, maybe the student is not a bad kid, as people like to label kids in the past, right? They're just trying to communicate something to us, and we're really here to help them. So what's the best way to do that? I think that mindset is so important, and it's really great to see that actually happening, right?